Welcome back to part 5 of Reborning with air dry paints and Sway. Now, earlier this morning we did the blue mottle. So, this is the result. They pretty much dried straight away. And you can see the colour of the skin is changing with the mottling that we've been doing so far. But the mottling's not like really intense, which is what we want to keep it at. I am going to do one more layer of mottling, and then I'm going to continue on with maybe rinses to get the colour skin that I want. It depends on how it looks. So the next one we're going to do is, something's going to fall down on me there, transparent magenta. Now, as I said, these colours, oh, I didn't get a sponge. They come in a variety of different colours. These paints, sorry. So this is the first time I'm using this one, and it seems quite bright. So it should be a nice sort of warming colour. 1.5 little dollops I'll put there. And same procedure as before, which is your stroke and blend medium, 1/2 ml of that, and some distilled water. You could say 5 ml of the distilled water. Oh, I'm so busy, I've got so many other things to do as well. Never enough hours in a day. So we've got that. Get a paintbrush to mix it all up in with. Oh, that'll do. And see what colour we get. Oh, it's quite bright. So you really wouldn't want this too dark. Oh, very bright. Give it a good mix. Oops, don't do there. Like so. I wish this cold, whatever it is, virus thing I've got would go away. Get good days and you get bad days. All I know is it's been going on for months. And that's what it is. Very transparent, actually. Yeah, they're not wrong about that. I'll get a sponge, a mottling sponge, and we'll get that on the go. And I used one here for magenta. Excuse me, that look like this one won't be the one. Yeah, okay. So, I'm just going to pick up like I do normally. Oh, yeah, very interesting colour. Who do I start with this time? It doesn't really matter. Alright, we'll do you. Here we go. The mottling on that's beautiful. Happy with that. Now, of course, it's overcast now. This morning was bright sunshine. Now it's overcast. So you're not going to be able to see the colour as much as I'd like you to, even though I've got the artificial light on. But you'll have to take my word for it. It's very transparent. So the name is exactly what it means. I can't even see where I'm adding it, actually. But I can see an overall pink tone to the skin. So that's a good thing. Might have to load up a little bit more. Don't you dare fall. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Yep. So fiddly you kits are. And just going along with it being applied on the face. Both sides of the face. And forehead. It's a nice warming colour. But you could use any colour you want. I, as a rule, don't do mottling with older babies. I think I might have mentioned this before. It's with the younger ones and the newborns, and they are my favourites to Reborn, actually, because you can do so much detail with them, whereas the older ones you don't. Or at least I don't. So that's the head. Done. Give me your ear so I can put you back up there. And I won't waste any more sort of camera time showing you, because you know what the procedure is. You do the whole kit, and as I said, I work on 5, including the bodies, say kits at one time. So by the time I've done one, and on to the second one, it's already dried. So it doesn't take very long to dry at all. I would, after sealing, we'll get to that when we get to the end, but after sealing the last layer, I'd probably let them sit for 48 hours before going on to the next step of painting hair or micro-rooting hair. But we'll reiterate on that closer to the time that it's supposed to happen. So this was, just to confirm, part 5. See me next time.